Struggling to find your DNS host records in Namecheap? Follow this exact path to access them in under 2 minutes. I will show you the exact clicks from login to host records, plus how to enable premium DNS for better uptime. So you are logged into your Namecheap account, and you need to get to your domain's DNS settings. The dashboard can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but once you know the path, it is incredibly simple. We are going to start right at the Namecheap homepage. Now, look over to the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button that says Account. Just click on that. This is your main hub for everything, from billing to your domain portfolio. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, you want to click on Domain List. This is the central location where every single domain you own is stored. Think of it as your command center. The page might take a second to load if you have a lot of domains, and that is perfectly normal. Once the domain list loads, find the specific domain you want to work with. You will see a row of details for that domain. Over on the right side of that row, there is a button labeled Actions. Click on that. A small drop-down menu will pop up with a bunch of management options. Now, from that drop-down menu, you are going to click on DNS/host records. This is the exact spot you have been looking for. This will take you directly into the page where you can see all of your existing host records, like your A records, CNAME records, and MX records. Once you are on the host records page, you will see a list of all your current entries. Now, take a look at the very top of that records list. You will see a small highlighted icon or button. Go ahead and click on that highlight. This will bring up a quick view or a filter option, depending on your layout. Then, you will see another highlighted area just below or next to it. Click on that second highlight as well. This is just stepping you through the interface to make sure all the important details are visible. Now, look over to the status column. You will see a status that says Active. Click on that Status Active button. This confirms that your DNS settings are currently live and working for your domain. Next, you will see a tab or button that says Transfer In. Click on that. This is where you would go if you were moving a domain from another registrar to Namecheap. We are not transferring anything right now, but it is good to know it is there. After that, you will see a button labeled Manage. Click on Manage. This takes you deeper into the domain's control panel. And here is the really important part. On this page, you will see an option to enable premium DNS protection. Now, I have tested this feature myself, and here is why you might want it. Standard DNS is usually fine, but premium DNS gives you 100% uptime guarantee and DDoS protection at the DNS level. If your website is critical for business, this is a huge peace of mind. If you decide to go for it, click on that Enable Premium DNS button. A new window or section will slide out with the purchase details. Go ahead and click the Buy Now button. This will add it to your shopping cart. Finally, review your order on the next page and click Confirm Order. You are all set. And that is it. You now know exactly how to navigate from a confused search through the Namecheap dashboard all the way to confidently managing your host records and even upgrading your DNS protection. Thanks for watching.